You're in the right place if you're looking for an honest review of the Makita LD080P, a powerful cordless drill that's been making waves in the DIY and construction industries. But here's what surprised me. Its price point is relatively steep, especially considering it's a high-end tool. For the best price, click the link in the description. You might be wondering if it's worth shelling out the extra cash or if there are any cheaper alternatives on the market. Well, let me tell you, I've got the inside scoop on this drill, and what I've found will blow your mind. But before we dive in, let me ask you a question. Have you ever struggled with cordless drills that just can't deliver when it comes to power and runtime? Do you find yourself constantly recharging or switching batteries mid-project? Well, the Makita LD080P is designed to tackle even the toughest tasks on your list. With its advanced brushless motor and 18V lithium-ion battery, this drill packs a punch that's hard to ignore. But here's where things get interesting. The LD080P also features a built-in LED light that illuminates your workspace, making it perfect for working in tight spaces or under low-light conditions. This is a game-changer, folks. Therefore, I want to highlight one of the standout features of this drill, its impressive 4-speed setting capability. What does that mean? It means you can adjust the speed to suit your specific task, whether it's drilling through thick wood or driving screws with precision. But what about the noise level, you ask? Don't worry, I've got good news for you. The Makita LD080P operates at an impressively low decibel level of just 85 dB, making it perfect for working in residential areas or sensitive environments. Therefore, let's talk about the durability of this drill. With a sturdy aluminum base and robust battery housing, you can rest assured that your investment will last for years to come. Rehook. But here's what I want to share with you. There are some caveats to consider when buying this drill. The price point is indeed on the higher side, but trust me, it's worth every penny. You get what you pay for, and in this case, that means top-notch performance and durability. But before we dive deeper, let's take a closer look at the specifications. 18V lithium-ion battery, advanced brushless motor, built-in LED light, 4-speed setting capability, low decibel level 85 dB, sturdy aluminum base. Rehook. So, is it worth it? Absolutely, but what about some potential downsides? I did find a few minor complaints from other reviewers, mainly related to the battery life and charging time. Therefore, let's weigh up the pros and cons. On one hand, you get an incredibly powerful drill with impressive runtime and durability. On the other hand, there are some caveats related to battery life and price point. But what I want to emphasize is this. If you're serious about investing in a high-quality cordless drill that will last for years, then look no further than the Makita LD080P. For those who don't mind splurging on top-end gear, the LD080P is an absolute must-have. But what if I told you there's an even better deal to be had? By clicking the link in the description, you can snag this amazing tool at a discounted price, and trust me when I say it's worth every penny. Final thoughts. In conclusion, the Makita LD080P is an incredible cordless drill that's packed with features and performance. With its advanced brushless motor and 18V lithium-ion battery, you'll be tackling even the toughest tasks in no time. If you're still unsure about this product, then I want to reiterate one thing. For those who value quality and durability above all else, the Makita LD080P is an unbeatable choice.